Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your ORC class. Dear kids, open book page number 33. Let's read rabbit. What's this? Rabbit. It's a rabbit. Okay, find where's a rabbit? Here's a rabbit. Run, rabbit, do. What's this? Run, rabbit, do. Run, rabbit, do. The big man will come. He is a big man. The big man will come. He will get you. Run, rabbit, do. The big man will come. He will get you. Run, rabbit, run. Run, rabbit, run. Run to mum. Run, rabbit, run. Run to mum. Let's read again. Rabbit. What's this? Rabbit. Run, rabbit, do. Run, rabbit, do. The big man will come. The big man will come. He will get you. Run, rabbit, run. Run to mum. Kids, now it's your turn to read first 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Allah Hafiz.